Okay, start. Good morning, students. Welcome back to Physics Point. Today we will study triangulation method. In last class we have studied a parallax method and how parallax method is specially used to determine the distance of stars from our surface. Now we are going to explain another triangulation method as well as three reflection method, which are known as laser, radar and sonar. Now, since triangulation method is basically a relationship between sides and angle of a triangle. So, to understand this concept, first of all, we will try to understand why triangulation method is so necessary, because I told you in previous class that in our society there are two type of things. First type of thing whose height can be measured by us, while the other type of thing whose height we can't be measured by us, especially those objects whose height can be measured by us is called accessible objects, while those objects whose height cannot be measured by ordinary persons or simple persons is known as inaccessible objects. So for finding the height of accessible objects, let us h be the height of an object which is to be measured, shown by here AB, and from the foot of perpendicular of that object at a distance s, we select a point C at which we will stand and use a sextant. Sextant is basically a device specially used to measure an angle of an object tip that makes with the ground. So here we will use a sextant and stand here and try to see the top of the object whose height we want to measure. Let it makes an angle theta, and that angle theta is given by sextant. Now from the figure in that right angle triangle ABC, from the figure in right angle triangle ABC, tangent theta, we know that perpendicular by base. Since perpendicular is the height of the object that we want to measure and s is the distance that we have traveled by our foot, that is s. So cross multiply, we will get the h is equal to s tangent theta. This is the simple formula by which we can easily determine the height of a accessible object. In that formula, if we know the value of s, then height can be easily calculated, because the theta is already calculated by sextant device. In that manner, we can easily find the height of accessible objects. Now another case in height of inaccessible object. Let AB is an object like rock, hills, etc., whose height we want to be measured, and from the foot of perpendicular we walk here some distance s and reaches to a point C and use a sextant and try to find out the angle which is made by top of the object with our location. Let that angle is theta 1 given by sextant, and after point C we travel another little bit distance, that is D, and reaches to point D, and from D we use sextant and find another angle, that is theta 2. In that figures we make two angles, theta 1 and theta 2. Both angle will be determined by the sextant. That device we have already in first expression. Now from the figure, if we find cot theta 1 from that figure ABC, then it will be base by perpendicular, that is s by h. But from triangle ABD, from ABD, this is s plus d but a h, that is cos theta 2. Now we will subtract equation 1 from 2, then it will be cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1 equal d plus s minus s but a h. S to s cancel out, then after cross multiply we have h is equal to d divided by cot theta 2 minus cot theta 1. This is the required formula for finding the height of inaccessible object, there are the 4 variables, out of which 2 variables are easily determined by the sextant, and d is the distance that we travel between point C and D, and easily determined with the help of meter or any ordinary scale. In that manner, if we know these 3 values, then height can be easily determined of an inaccessible object. In that manner, this formula is specially used for finding height of an inaccessible objects. Now we are going to understand reflection method. First of all, we have to understand what is reflection method. In reflection method, there is a transmitter and there is a receiver. These transmitter and receiver are those devices. Transmitter main task to release some waves and receiver main task to